Top 3 apps to play games and earn money in USA. Most people pick the app with the loudest payout promise. That feels smart, but it usually wastes the most time. The real difference is not only how much an app claims you can earn, it is how quickly you can reach a cash out, how much friction appears before payout, and whether the app is truly built around gaming or just adds games as one more of. That last detail changes the whole rank.
What actually matters?
If you are in the US, the smartest way to compare these apps is by cash out threshold, reward type, and how directly gameplay turns into reward. Some platforms are stronger for variety, but gaming is only part of the experience. Others are much better if you want a game-first app, but they may limit you by device or by the kinds of payouts you get. So, the best choice is not the one with the biggest headline, it is the one that feels easiest to cash out without extra friction. Option 3. Swagbucks for flexibility. Swagbucks takes this spot because it gives you more than games. Its homepage says members can choose between surveys, cashback shopping, and play mobile games, and its rewards section includes PayPal Cash. That makes it a good fit if you want one app that can keep earning even when you get tired of playing. The honest drawback is why it stays at number 3. Gaming is not really the center of the product. Swagbucks feels more like a broad rewards platform that happens to include games, and its PayPal reward page says payment can take 3 to 10 business days. So it is useful, but not usually the smoothest pick if your main goal is to play and cash out fast. Option 2. Missed Play for dedicated mobile gamers. Missed Play moves higher because it is much more focused on gaming itself. Its official site says users can play free games and cash out rewards, and its Google Play page says you earn units by playing and can redeem for gift cards to PayPal, Amazon, Uber, Target, and more. For people who want an app that feels built around gaming first, that is a real advantage. The reason it does not take the top spot is an important one. Missed Play is still much more tied to its curated game ecosystem, and its Google Play listing makes clear it is an Android app. So if you want the most game-first experience, Missed Play is one of the strongest options, but it is not the most flexible winner for everyone in the US.
Option 1. Scrambly for the fastest low-friction start.
For most people, Scrambly stands out because it attacks the biggest beginner problem directly, getting to the first real payout without waiting too long.
Its official site says payouts start from $1 and can be withdrawn instantly, with options including PayPal, Visa, and Amazon.
Its Google Play listing also says users can explore more than 120 games, get a sign-up bonus, and redeem the first gift card from as little as $1. There is still an honest catch. Scrambly says you need to secure your account, and its site mentions a fast ID verification step before withdrawal, but that is exactly what resolves the whole comparison. The app that usually wins is not the one that sounds biggest, it is the one that lowers the distance between playtime and payout, and right now Scrambly does that better than the others here. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. The app that fits real playtime, so the best app depends on what you want from gaming. Swagbucks is stronger if you want variety beyond games. Missed Play is better if you want a more dedicated gaming app and you are on Android. But Scrambly is the best overall pick because it makes the first payout feel closest, which is the part that usually decides whether people keep going or quit after a few days. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.